Starkey with iConnect 007 here at Electronica in Munich. I'm at the booth of Ventec International and delighted to have the opportunity to speak with Didier Mauve, who is Ventec's specialist in insulated metal substrate materials. Didier, thank you very much indeed for joining us, and it's great to meet you.
Pleased to meet you too.
Didier, we could ramble on in deep and meaningful technical talk for a long time about IMS materials.
Right.
But from my point of view, probably about 8 years ago, Mark took me to Suzhou to show me the beginnings of Ventec's IMS materials. We've come a long way since then. There have been announcements of recent times that the capacity has been doubled, that there are big developments in technology.
Yeah.
But from your point of view, how is your market developing and in what particular areas?
Yeah, Pete, thank you for inviting us and giving us the opportunity to address your audience. Yes, we revamped the line and we double our capacity in search for dielectric, thermal dielectric, right?
Yeah.
A year ago, yes, we started in approval has been given from many OEMs and leading OEMs in the headlights business. Now we are at a pace of more than 100,000 panels a month, and we believe this success, as we can talk about success right now, is going to keep up, and Ventec will still have a number one position in this area.
So in automotive, obviously the main interest has been in automotive lighting, and LED technology is very much taking over in automotive lighting. But there are other developments in automotive and industrial as well in terms of power management.
In terms of power management, in terms of car loading system devices, in terms of engine control, electronic engine control. We are still working with OEMs very closely, and we design new products and to keep up with the pace and the demand of more power and more thermal management designs.
And of your product range, which type of products are attracting the most interest at the moment?
So the product, what we call the B series, and the Ventec VT4B series. We started with 3 watt, 5 watt, and 7 watt products. Now we are designing new products up to 10 watts per meter Kelvin. And the most important thing is that the thickness, dielectric thickness management.
Yeah.
We achieve a very tight control of the thicknesses. We have 100% hyper-tested production, and this is all inline and full automatic process.
From the manufacturing point of view, it's relatively easy to make a material if you've got glass reinforcement to control the dielectric thickness. If you take that reinforcement away, then as you say, you need some very, very good technical production management.
That's correct. You know, the dielectric system is somehow difficult to control. So it required from our engineer, the inline control process, and we revamped basically the whole line for our applications.
Yeah. So really these are the products that are attracting the attention, that are gaining the OEM approvals.
Yeah, that's correct. That's our hot product at the moment, besides the high-tech and, aerospace. Yeah. We took advantage of our knowledge of how to mix, filter, and produce field dielectric that we gain in the aerospace industry, and we apply that to I think
a characteristic of Ventec is that you have specialization in many different industry sectors.
Yes.
So you can get some good cross-feeding of
that's
technology.
Correct. we gather all the experiences from other sectors, high-tech sectors, and then we implemented it in the automotive and thermal management sectors.
That's great. Well, Didier, it's a great pleasure to talk with you. I say we could carry on this conversation for hours and hours. But,
Thank you.
But I say congratulations on the 10th anniversary of Ventec.
Thank you.
Thank you very much indeed for joining us. And we
You're
wish
welcome.
you a successful show.
Thank you very much, Bill. Bye.
Pete Starkey with iConnect 007 at Electronica. Thank you.